Hello everyone, welcome to NEET Buddy. Here we are providing you with daily biology MCQs so that you can have little extra practice for the coming NEET exam and gain confidence for the coming NEET exam. We have already finished revising class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology once, and this is the second time revision of class 11th NCERT biology that is going on. And today I'm going to provide you with the MCQs from the chapter that you're seeing on your screens. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. Nucleus is enclosed in option A, double and non-porous layer, option B, double and porous layer, option C, single non-porous layer, or option D, single and porous layer. Nucleus is enclosed in. The correct answer is option B, that is double and porous layer. So the question is asking about the nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane is a double layered membrane and the layers are porous. Question number 2. Which of the following cell organelle is having single layer unit membrane? Which of the following cell organelle has a membrane which is single layered? Option A, centrosomes, option B, lysosome, option C, mesosomes, or option D, nucleus. The correct answer is option B, that is lysosome has a single layered membrane. Question number 3. Arrangement of genes in chromosome is option A, linear, option B, ovoid, option C, diffused, or option D, spiral. How are genes arranged in chromosome? The correct answer is option A, they are arranged linearly. Question number 4. Smallest known cell is option A, acetabularia, option B, nostoc, option C, chlamydomonas, or option D, pleuropneumonia-like organism, or PPLO. Smallest known cell is. The correct answer is option D, PPLO. Question number 5. Who invented the electron microscope? Option A, Knoll and Ruska, option B, Robert Brown, option C, Correns, or option D, Jensen and Jensen. Who invented the electron microscope? The correct answer is option A, Knoll and Ruska. Question number 6. The main difference between plant and animal cell is. What is the main difference between plant and animal cell? Option A, animal cell lacks cell wall. Option B, plant cell lacks cell wall. Option C, animal cell has a rigid cell wall. Option D, plant cell lacks cell membrane. The main difference between plant and animal cell is. The correct answer is option A, that is animal cells lack cell wall. Question number 7. 70S type of ribosome shows two subunits whose sedimentation constants are. Option A, 40S, 30S, option B, 50S, 20S, option C, 50S, 30S, option D, 60S, 20S. Sedimentation coefficients of the 70S ribosome subunits are. The correct answer is option C, that is 50S and 30S. And what does S mean? Right, it means Swedberg's unit. Question number 8. Amyloplast is concerned with option A, absorption of water, option B, absorption of light, option C, store fat, option D, store starch. Amyloplast is concerned with. The correct answer is option D, that is storage of starch. Question number 9. Cell organelles found only in plants. Option A, Golgi complex, option B, mitochondria, option C, plastids, option D, ribosomes. Cell organelle found only in plants. The correct answer is option C, that is plastids are found only in plants. Question number 10. DNA is not present in one of the following. Option A, mitochondria, option B, chloroplast, option C, bacteriophage, option D, tobacco mosaic virus. DNA not present in one of the following. The correct answer is option D, that is tobacco mosaic virus. The genetic material present in tobacco mosaic virus is RNA and not DNA. Question number 11. Function of centriole is option A, formation of spindle fibers, option B, formation of nucleolus, option C, initiation of cell division, option D, formation of cell plates. Function of centriole is, the correct answer is option A, that is formation of spindle fibers. Question number 12. Basal bodies are associated with development of. Basal bodies are associated with development of option A, cilia flagella, option B, cell plate, option C, phragmoplast, option D, kinetochore. Basal body associated with development of which cell organelle? The correct answer is option A, that is cilia and flagella. They originate from a basal body. Question number 13. Protoplasm is a option A, true solution, option B, suspension, option C, emulsion, option D, polyphasic colloidal system. Protoplasm is. The correct answer is option D. It is a polyphasic colloidal system. Question number 14. Who proposed the theory that cell arises from pre-existing cells? Option A, Moll, option B, Virchow, option C, Haeckel, or option D, Brown. Who proposed the theory that cell arises from pre-existing cell? The correct answer is option B, that is Virchow. Question number 15. LPS, that is lipopolysaccharide, is found in option A, gram positive bacteria, option B, gram negative bacteria, option C, both gram positive and gram negative bacteria, or option D, neither gram positive nor gram negative bacteria. LPS is found in. The correct answer is option B, that is it is present in gram negative bacteria. So those are the MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow at this very place, this very time, with another set of MCQs from the next chapter of class 11th NCERT Biology. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful. And if you are new out here, do go and click that red button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.